Step 1. Peel carrots and onions. Step 2. Chop carrots and onions. Step 3. Process carrots and onions. Good. Now add the equivalent of a couple of teaspoons or so of minced garlic, or about a couple of garlic cloves. Excellent. Now add some olive oil. Good. Now the fun begins. Medium heat. Mix and stir until it becomes all nice and soft. Alright, like this is good enough. After about 5 minutes or so, you add your beef mince. Try to match about the quantity of vegetables you initially made, so I'm gonna add about half kilo. Always wash your hands. So we're still on medium heat. Now we break it apart and we keep mixing. Yeah? Good. Now that it is like this, all mixed, and it started cooking, you add about a glass of wine. Cheap wine, please. Enough. So as you can see, I keep mixing. It made a bit of a soggy mess, but that's exactly what we want. So we're gonna keep mixing it and cooking it until the wine is mostly absorbed. So I did reduce the heat from medium to low, but yeah, this is not yet sufficiently evaporated. Now that we start being at this stage, we could add, like, I don't know, 1 or 2 teaspoons of salt. Imagine that you're seasoning that amount of meat and veggies. How much would you put? I don't know, up to you. Alright, and now that you mix it in the salt, you add a whole tub of passata. This is, I don't know, 680 grams. Done. I suggest wash it with some water inside and keep adding until the bottle is about clean. Done. And now keep it still on low heat and keep stirring until it's all mixed, and then stir occasionally, I don't know, every 5 minutes or so. It's up to you. You can keep it for like 40 minutes, 2 hours, even more. Just the longer it stays, the better it is. But then it goes with taste. Every now and then taste it, and if you like the way the sauce is coming up, then it's good. So far about 20 minutes have passed, so probably in another 40 minutes it will be alright. And that's why I cook in bulk this kind of sauce. This is a small batch according to my standards, because I don't really want to cook it that often. Alright, we are pretty much there. I feel it lacks a bit of taste, so I will add some more wine. Just a little bit. Don't worry, the alcohol will evaporate and only the good of the wine will stay. Let's leave it on for another 5-10 minutes. Alright, and when it's done, bottle it, let it cool, put it in the fridge, and what you're not gonna use, you can freeze. But look it up. I take no responsibility.